This is my nervous system. Nerves, spinal cord, brain. Cool. Your nervous system is made up of two parts. One part is the nerves. The nerves look like long, thin threads. They reach all over your body. The other part is the spinal cord and brain. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves. It is inside your spine or backbone. The brain is at the upper end of the spinal cord. It is made up of billions of tiny nerves. Nerves are like telephone wires. They carry messages back and forth. The brain and spinal cord are like the main office of the telephone company. All of the messages must go through here. Suppose you put your finger on a hot stove. The nerves in your hand sense that the stove is hot. They send out a message. The message speeds along nerves from your hand to your spinal cord. Here the message passes to a different nerve. This nerve controls the muscles that move your arm. A signal flashes through the nerve. It tells your muscles to move your hand and fast. Before you even know what hurts, your hand jerks away from the stove. My Dad Burned Himself by Billy. Brain, spinal cord. Pulling your hand off a hot stove is a reflex. It happens very quickly, and it is not completely under your control. It happens automatically, without your having to think about making it happen. Be careful, Max. You'll burn yourself too. I found Sarah. Ka-choo! A sneeze is also a reflex, so you can't stop it even when you want to be extra quiet during a game of hide and seek. A bit of dust or dirt gets into your nose. The nerves sense that something is there that is not supposed to be. They shoot the message to the brain. The brain sends a message to the spinal cord.